So you might be in a situation where for some reason Spotify is basically saying that it's offline. Now what does this mean? Well, maybe within the Spotify application, when you're going through and you're using it, you might be seeing that it's showing and it's basically telling you that it's an offline and it's not really doing anything. The first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and try making sure that you can double check your internet connection or your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes if your Wi-Fi connection or your cell signal or any of those things are basically down or they're not working, that's basically the main thing I'd recommend starting off with. So make your way over into your cell connection settings, your internet connection settings, whatever you have, and just make sure that your Wi-Fi and cell connections are perfectly set up. Because if they're not, that is probably going to be the main problem that you're running into. So double check your Wi-Fi, cell, whatever you have, and that is a very easy thing that might end up fixing it in your particular situation. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over into your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store and basically try downloading the Spotify application. Sometimes all you're going to have to do is to try downloading this particular application, and sometimes you're just re-updating it or reinstalling it. Sometimes that might just end up fixing it for you. And that could very well end up being another thing you might want to try doing. And if none of those things work, what I'd recommend doing is going to a website like Downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites that are telling you what's up and what's down. And if Spotify is down like how it's down right here, you might just have to go ahead and wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix these issues. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.